Well, I'm hungry, so I'm going to test another Lithuanian MRE. Which one is it? Well, you've already seen it before. It's this one. It's menu 2, which is stewed beef with groats and sauce. Apparently it comes with crackers, which I'm preparing my teeth for, hazelnuts, honey, orange drink with vitamin C, chocolate, coffee, sugar, a napkin, and matches dry fuel, heating tray, zip tie, spoon, and heater manual. So, let's crack into this. Once again, it's got the easy tear strip. Right off the bat, you can see the snack pack, I suppose you could call that. I guess that's the honey, chocolate, and drinks and sugar and whatnot. Got the actual meal in here, no labelling. Got the heater, which I'm not going to use, I'm just going to use the one from last time. So, pop that one out of the truck. We've got the hazelnuts, yummy. We've got the accessory pack with a flimsy spoon, a napkin, a heater fuel, and some aggressive matches. And that other box of matches I'm still using in the house. And we've got the teeth-destroying crackers. Yay! So, I'm going to start off by heating up the main meal. So there we have the meal. No, hang on. I've changed the camera position so it's a bit closer to me, but more difficult to keep things in shot. So that's the meal. If you want to read all that, you can, but I can't read it because it's in Lithuanian. Got the FRH, which this time I won't seal up, so it won't go bang. So there's instructions, don't need them. Tear here, apparently. Use a knife here, much easier. Especially as you know army types would have knives on them. So there's the fur material. Put that in there, chuck that on the back. And yes, I got the Honda running in the background because I couldn't be asked running the cable to the house. And the petrol I've got is running out of, usability. Because I've got stuff which is forming a load of water droplets. Which means it's past its best. Thanks to ethanol. Some water. So I've got 2 of these now actually. Yay! Poundland special. And these were the last ones in there as well. So I've filled that up quite high, so... Yep, that's water. Now, let's see if I can remember to fill it up to the line. Maybe this time I'll actually look at it. I can already feel the FRH getting warm. Okay, full to that line, done. Just going to carefully tape it down like that. I'm not going to just completely and utterly seal it like I did last time. Make sure the FRH has got some wetness to it, which it has. And I'm going to just place it off to the side. Next, well, apparently there's coffee in here, unlike the last one. So we've got, that's the list of stuff that's in there. I've already been through the list. So we've got the sugar, we've got the orange flavour instant drink. Yay, instant coffee. So at least I can have a nice hot drink today. Well, a nice hot drink that is. Lovely chocolate, which is lovely. And some honey to dip the crackers in. Oh, there goes the FRH. Pissing away already. So of course we've got the crackers there, we've got the hazelnuts there, and we've got the heating stuff in here, but I'm not going to bother with it. I'm not going to bother with this spoon because it's just so flimsy. I feel sorry for Lithuanian guys who have to put up with that thing. Grab the lemon fresh towel and I'm going to just leave that in there because, well, I'm going to save the matches for later and, well, I've still got the other heater thing. So, where is the other heater thing? There it is. So with the brown stain. There's all these blocks. Down here. There we are. I'm not going to use the matches because, well, I want to save them. Yep, there we go. So, I need my little pan there. Get some water boiling for the coffee. And this time I'll mix up the drink inside of a clear bottle so you can see it. And yes, it is a Pepsi bottle, because I like Pepsi. So, right. Feels nice and packed. So there's the orange beverage powder. Oh, I can already smell it. It smells nice. It smells like, you know, generic, cheap orange flavoured stuff. So let's see if I can get it in the bottle without spilling it. So a quick trick with mixing this sort of stuff up is don't fill it up full, so you've got a lot of airspace for agitation. Right, so I'll be mixed up enough. Just top it up with the other bottle of water. Try not to spill it. Give it a quick shake so it's all nice. Anyway, let's see what this tastes like. I mean, it looks like pea. Well, a very early morning pea. Let's see if it tastes any better. So, cheers. Yeah, it does taste like cheap, generic, orange flavoured water. Yeah, so that's what it is. Yeah. Crackers, well, obviously I don't need to taste these because I know what they taste like. It's whether or not I can deal with them with my teeth. Oh, they smell nice though. Chocolate. Might as well get that out now. Oh, look at that, lovely, lovely dark chocolate. It's upside down. And the, however you pronounce that, but I pronounce it as honey. Sadly it's all crystallised, but then again I suppose that it's kind of intentional. So just gonna have a quick taste on the end of my finger. There's not a lot of taste to it, to be honest. I mean, yeah, it's sweet, but it's not like honey that you get over here, which is very strong in honey flavour. It's a good source of sugar, which is what you need when you're out and about. The Klingai Legnisio's. I'm not even going to try and finish that, but yep, good old fashioned hazelnuts. Yeah, nice hazelnuts. I suppose one thing you could do with this is sweet hazelnut. That actually works nicely. So I suppose that's one thing to do with the honey rather than break your teeth on the crackers. I'll go on then, I'll have one of these. Or at least try and bite into one. Yeah, wish me luck. Still hard. Anyway, let's clear some space for my bowl. I suppose I really should wash my hands before dinner, seeing I have been working on post-gen. And the smell of this, it's a very soapy smell, that's for sure. It's not really citrusy or lemony or anything like that, like what you get from a KFC wet wipe. It's just, you know, generic soapiness. And boy, did I need to wash my hands. Right, so that's that used up. I suppose I should try this with the tooth smashers. Good glob there. That's alright. Anyway, I'm going to tip the stuff out into my mug, which is going to be my Minions mug, which isn't very big, you know, it's just like a tiny thing I got with an Easter egg. Just, you know, despicable coffee and all. So I'm guessing this is probably about maybe around about a teaspoon of instant coffee. Where's the powdered stuff? Don't know what you can see in there, but yeah, powdered instant. To be honest, it smells kind of like that broth that I had last time. And half a bag of sugar, because this is a lot of sugar in here. I'm not kidding, that's like maybe about 2 teaspoons full. So I think the water should just be about hot enough. Can't be bothered to drink boiling hot water. Oh, just the right amount. Lovely. And my US MRE spoon, so now the flimsy one is no good. Yeah, that's not nice coffee. Okay, so I really don't know what to expect with this because I have no idea what stewed beef with groats in sauce tastes like, but it kind of smells like the last lot. But that's in a good way. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what groats are, they're basically kind of like grits in the US but made with other grains. So it don't look too bad. It smells pretty good. Scrape out the last of the bag. There we go. Oh, that smells good. So, once again, you can see that they've separated out the meat from the veg or cider or whatever it is. I'm going to have a quick taste of this. I'm not entirely sure where the sauce bit is, but unless that oozy stuff is the sauce. So, yeah, let's see what it tastes like. Like I say, it's kind of like the last stuff. Tastes about the same. So what's the meat like? Well, certainly no pink paste, that's for sure. That's good. I mean, yeah, it's pink, but that's because it's probably been cooked in the pouch. Yeah, this is also a very good bit of food. So, yeah, another good one. So let's try it with a bit of cracker. Sorry if I sound distant, I'm now about 2 feet from the camera. Once you get over the toughness of the cracker, it's alright. Wash it down with a bit of the orange stuff. Oh, jeez, I've emptied the bottle already. So, yeah, another Lithuanian MRE. And it's another thumbs up from me, because this is a very good MRE. I mean, the only downside is that coffee's a bit bleh. Those are hard. Yeah, that's it. So overall, I quite like these. I'm going to have to get some more, just to have for food. What haven't I tasted? The chocolate. I mean, it's the same chocolate as last time, so... Oh, that is really good chocolate. I'm not kidding, that is good. It's none of your Hershey's junk. Watch that bit down with a bit of despicable coffee, which is aptly named. Yeah, that coffee's not good. So I think I'm going to end the video here. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, they go down below. I've got a Patreon thing going now, so I'll stick a link somewhere, maybe, I don't know, somewhere around here or in the description or whatever. Subscribe will be over here, and until next time, bye.